Hi, I'm Kelly Walker from Rejuvenate. I'm going to show you how to assemble your Click and Clean Spray Mop system. So let's get this out of the box. First off, you can start right up here at the top. Now in the top, what you're going to find your microfiber cleaning cloth. We'll use that in just a second. Your grout tile and scrub brush right there, that is the best scrub brush I have ever used. Now also in the top is your main spray unit. Now it comes already with the base attached to it as well as the scrub pad, so that's very easy right there. And now we're going to go to the bottom. Now in the bottom, what we have is our dusting pad. That's the white one right there. And here's the top part of the handle to your spray mop system right here. And of course out of the bottom comes our best-in-class all-floor cleaner. This is the best for all of your floors. We give it to you right off the bat, so you've got everything you need to get started cleaning your floors faster and easier than ever before. So let's start putting this together. I'll set this box out of the way here. Now, first off, you're going to take your base. Now, inside your base, you'll notice you have all these adapter caps. There are 3 of them right there. So we'll get to those in a second. With the base, you're going to take your upper handle right here, and this just snaps right on. Nice and secure, super strong, got that durable handle right there, making it very easy for you to use as well. Now, your base is already on. If you do want to take it off, you do want to put it on, that just snaps on and off right there. Even your scrub pad right here is a hook and loop right here that allows to easily attach very simply. So now we're going to need a cleaning pad. So let's take out the cleaning pad, unfold it, and all you got to do is just tap it in place. So now we need a cleaner for it. So let's take out our all-floor cleaner. Again, this is the best-in-class all-floor cleaner. What you want to do is you take the little cap off, poke through the little tin foil on the top, and now inside here, these are those adapter caps I told you about. You get 3 of them so you can actually have multiple bottles already set up to go for your cleaning system right here. And that just attaches right here simply by screwing it in place. That's all there is to it. Now this is the fun part. This is the click and clean. You take this and you click and clean. It's that easy. Now all you have to do is clean all your floors faster and easier than ever before with your Click and Clean mop system.
Rejuvenate.